Are you trying to embed a Calendly sign-up box on your site? Well, you've come to the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you how to embed a Calendly sign-up box directly in Squarespace. First, it should be noted that you must have a Squarespace business account in order to embed external code on your site. So if you don't already have a business account, you can click the link below to upgrade your account. To embed a Calendly sign-up box on your Squarespace website, you need to first figure out where you want the box to live. I typically will place it on a sign-up page where potential clients can book a call with me. While editing your page, select the plus button to add a new block. Choose the code block from the menu. In Calendly, select the share icon on the type of event you want to share to your Squarespace page. Select Add to Website from the menu. Select Embed Inline from the page. From the next page, you can update your colors to match your brand and design needs. Once you're ready, click the Copy Code button. Go back to Squarespace and paste the code in the code snippet box and click Away. You may not be able to see your Calendly box on your editing screen, but don't worry. If you visit your live page, you should be able to see the sign-up box. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this quick video, check out our Squarespace tips video. It's full of helpful tips and tricks for getting the most out of your Squarespace site. And of course, give this video a like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any other requests for videos.